Hey everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be my June BoxyLuxe 2021 unboxing. It literally just came by the mail truck, so I figured I'd unbox it for you guys. This is another casual video. I just want to get it out. It's kind of muggy here today and I just don't want to put on makeup right now. So I will unbox this for you guys, this big boy, just so I can get it up in actually June, because there's an interesting smell coming from this too. Alright, let's take my scissors. Like I said, I haven't even peeked. I don't know what variation I got. Like, I know what my two choice items are. But other than that, I don't know anything. So, Tigger's sitting right next to the light over here. So, if my camera moves, I apologize. I'll give you guys a little sneaky peek in the box. There's what it looks like. Take out the card, because I'm going to need to get prices. Alright. And here's what the inside of the box looks like. Alright. I see something in there that I'm excited about already. I was hoping I was going to get this. Here's the variation card. So for this month, it's Dare to Dazzle. So, and I have variation C2106532LX for Luxe. So it's C21 is 2000 and 106 is 26. So I have variation 532, sorry. So I'm just going to reach down. The box is right beside me here, so I'm just going to reach down and grab items and pull them out. The first item that I pulled out is this Luxy brush set. Oh, something smells really strong in there. I hope nothing's leaking. Oh, that has like that paint smell, you know, that smell. Okay, Tigger's going to play with the box, so if you hear noises, that's Tigger playing with the box. I want to just leave them because I don't want them inside the product. Comes in this little purple pouch that smells like spray paint. Comes with a little Luxy sponge, and it comes with 4 Luxy brushes in this really pretty mint color. I love Luxy brushes, and these are so soft. I think this set retails for... Where's it at? Oh, $40 for this little set. I don't know about that, but I'm going to put them back in the little pouch, though, because I'll start here, too. Because Tigger's... Oh, he's... He's sitting in my BoxyLuxe. I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, let me reach down. This is my second choice item. This is sunglasses from NYS. Looks like the packaging looks like this. I chose these as well. I never pay for expensive sunglasses because I break them or lose them. So I figure if I can pick them as a choice item in BOXYCHARM, why not, right? Comes with a cute little pouch, dust bag, whatever you want to call it. And I got the tortoiseshell ones because they were the only ones available at the time. And they have this little, they feel cheap. They feel like something I could buy at Walmart. They look cute though. I like them. How much are these? $35. I think the plain black ones are $40, but these are cute. They're cute. So I got those. A lot of people probably wouldn't pick sunglasses because they'd be like, that's not like what it's supposed to be makeup. And just looking at this box on hand, it does look like it's very skincare heavy. Alright, the next product that I'm pulling out is aromatherapy. This is what smells. Revive Body Gel. Okay. No, it's wrapped up, so it's sealed, so it shouldn't smell, but I can smell it. Nothing's leaking though. I'm sorry about the bird, you guys. I'm almost positive this is what I can smell. Peekaboo! 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 Yeah, it has like an herbally smell to it or something. Peekaboo! This retails for $46. Enjoy the naturally exhilarating, properties of the revived body gel for skin that feels refreshed and smooth. High concentrations of finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and simulating rosemary helps promote an even skin texture and boost energy. Okay, well, I'm willing to give it a try. Now, I'm not excited about that product, but okay. Oh, no, this is what, okay, this is what I can smell because this is actually leaking. No, but it is leaking, but that's not what I smelled. It was this stuff that I smelled. This is Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Soap. Okay, I've never gotten a hand soap in a box before, but I have seen this going around, and this came, they should have put tape around here, but it's not leaking bad, but it is leaking. But I mean, anybody can do, this is a big ass bottle of hand soap. Anybody can use hand soap. Is this Smith French Doubling? Okay, it's $25. Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Soap. It does, it just smells like, you know what it smells like? I think there was a tart that you could burn for tart burners, and it smelled like for after the rain, or fresh leaves after the rain, and that's kind of what that smells like. It's just a very fresh scent. Ocean, Ocean, pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird, calm down. Hey, I'm really sorry, guys. I know that's very distracting. Ocean, do I have to cover you? Peekaboo. I'm just going to push on through, guys. Yeah, this is a very, there's one makeup product in this box. Okay, this is ridiculously overpriced. I've seen this going around. This is the Avant Hyaluronic Lactic Vitamin B Mint Glycerin Collagen. There's a whole bunch of ingredients listed on here, but it's hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. Wait until you hear the price on this. If you haven't already seen BOXYCHARM videos, this retails for $122. Like, what? Are they in their minds? Like, seriously? Ocean? I gotta try this. I have to try this. It better make my lips look like I'm a baby. This I will not be repurchasing. I will use it up while I have it. It doesn't feel like anything on the lips. And it doesn't smell like anything. So, I don't know. It just feels like I put a coat of water over my lips. Okay, the next product that I have is from Dr. Brandt, and it is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. I do like getting skincare. I wish they had sent me a face wash, though, because I'm in need of face washes. Dr. Brandt is a good brand. This retails for $84. I like that they did the rainbow on here for, like, Pride Month. Oh, here comes Tigger again. So it looks like this. It's just, does it have a safety seal? Because I'm not going to open this yet because I have skincare. Yeah, it has a safety seal, so that's good because skincare starts counting down by this little jar. As soon as you open the jar, it counts down from that time. So I'm not going to open that yet because I have other moisturizers. I just opened a new moisturizer, so I go from oldest to newest. So that is that. The one and only makeup product that I got in here is NARS, and it's the Blush and Orgasm, which I think everybody's seen this by now because it's the most popular blush, I think. But I don't know if I'm going to keep this because I have so many blushes. This is really pretty, but Luminoso kind of is the same thing from Milani. So I might pop this up on my Poshmark. Just looks like that. It's like a peachy gold color because it has like a bit of a sheen to it. So I think I might pop this up on my Poshmark, because I really don't know if I want this. I don't know. I'm not undecided. I'm undecided. I know it's a cult classic, and I just gave away my mini in this, but I have so many blushes. That retails for $30. And last but not least, I'm super excited I got this in my variation. This is from IYEMS, and it is the Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. So I'm getting very low on my pharmacy green cleans, and this will come in handy because this has pumpkin, aceola, cherry, and mango butter. So basically it's to cleanse the makeup off your face. And I'm so happy when I seen this making the rounds. I'm like, I really hope I get that product. I don't care if I get all skincare, which, wow, my box literally is all skincare. A set of brushes and a pair of sunglasses, but I picked them, so. Oh, look at that. It doesn't smell like anything. That's good though, because sometimes I don't always like scent in my skincare, but I'm so happy I got this because, as I said, I'm almost out of my other one, so I won't have to buy a cleansing balm for a while. I want to try the e.l.f. one and possibly the Physicians Formula one, just to see if they're just as good, because I'll have like a variation that I can get easily at the drugstore. Anyway, this IYEMS one is probably expensive too. It retails for $38. So this was, I'll see if I can remember to put the price of all my items down below of how much everything added up to. But this box is, I paid $71, I think, with the exchange rate, shipping, and all that stuff. So I definitely got well over $71 worth of product. But anyway, that is everything that I got in my BoxyLuxe for June 2021. Did you guys get anything different? Any variations, different variations in yours? I watched a lot of spoiler videos because I go crazy because I'm like, I want my box, I want my box. And it came like extremely late this month. Usually my BoxyCharm is here around the 15th of the month, but this month it just got tied up. So anyway, don't forget to leave a comment down below and thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This week's a bit different because I wanted to get this up for you guys. Yeah, and I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye, everyone.